everything up here. I had to walk upstairs with it, and not too bad, but this is what I'm using today. Low moisture VLM. Pretty decent vacuum here. I think I'm gonna upgrade here shortly though, but I'm using a Triple S 175. Now, if you guys are looking to get into the business and you're looking for an inexpensive low-speed buffer, here you go. About 700 bucks. Can't really beat that. Brand new. I think this is a 17-inch. I got my pad driver. It goes on there. And for pre-scrubbing, I got my black scrub brush right here. I love this for low moisture and pre-agitation. This works the best, especially in larger areas. You can cut across it really quick. I'm going ahead and use. I got a couple bonnets here. I got this microfiber kind of looking bonnet here. It's supposed to have some scrubbing in here, so I might try that out today. And this carpet detail mixed up in here is what I use for hot water extraction and low moisture VLM carpet cleaning. Carpet details is encapsulating solution, as well as just a really kick butt solution for hot water extraction. It's in a neutral pH, and yeah, it does a great job. You don't have to do a rinse after it. Basically, when I'm saying neutral pH, it's right in the neutral zone to where you don't have to worry about anything weird happening because the pH is too high. If it was high, say 12, 11, you'd have to do a rinse after it to be safe on a lot of carpets. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so it's extremely important to do a really thorough vacuum before you do VLM. If you're just learning, if you're trying to learn, so if I'm being a little extra detailed about this, it's not for the people that already know how to do it, for the people that are trying to get into it and learning. So very important to do a very good thorough vacuum before you do VLM. Okay. This is laying down the pre-spray. Pre-spray is something, the cleaning solution you put down before you extract or agitate. It actually helps to pull the soil from the fiber so you can pick it up. The word for that would be encapsulating it. Encapsulate it. So I'm going to go ahead and pre-spray the rest of this house. Stay tuned. you're not going to find a better agitation than this. I love my CRV, don't get me wrong, but for carpet set, well, basically, if all you have is a 175, you get a black brush like that. It's made for carpets, multi-surface kind of scrubber. You'll really get a great pre-scrub out of it. There's nothing better. Rather than buying a CRV. And on commercial carpets, I prefer that over a CRV any day as far as scrubbing. Alright. The local janitorial supply actually gave me this bonnet to use for at no charge to see if I liked it. So I think I'll see what I think about it. The big cotton ones really seem to pick up a lot of the moisture a lot better, but they don't last as long. And I also believe that they clean better than a lot of other ones. So if you're thinking about getting into the business and you're worried about cost, I wonder what it's going to cost you to get started, and you like VLM, and that's what you want to go for. Yeah, I'm not tribal, guys. I like VLM. I like hot water extraction, of course, or else I wouldn't have paid all that money to get one of them big old things in a van. But I think there's a time and place for every method. And so when you're getting into the business and you're thinking, all right, I want to go ahead with VLM, then you're talking with the setup I'm doing right now about $1,000. $700 for the 175 pad, pump up sprayer, and you don't need that big black brush either. You know, you can just get a hand scrubber and manually kind of do it, and that'll bring it down to, I don't know, $800, and you can have your own carpet cleaning business, guys. But don't go in there and buy the equipment without researching and learning the process first. You can learn so much on YouTube now, all through the web. Go to school, and yeah. So think about that, guys, and also think about, just because you have equipment now doesn't mean you're gonna all of a sudden have a business. People are just gonna start calling you. If you're not willing to put in that work, like go door to door at the beginning, give free estimates. You can do very low cost things like advertise on Craigslist. You can really do some really low cost things, you know, that get you started and get your reputation up there and get your repeat clients. So once you clean a house, you want to do so good, it's like a job interview, right? If they like what you do, then they're going to call you back. So okay, I'm going to finish up this house. Well, this apartment, sorry. Final step in on this is you get a carpet rake. I think these are probably about $35 or so. I don't know. You just stand up to fibers, because you know you get that swirly look everywhere. And it's also better for a quicker dry. This is low moisture, but it's not dry cleaning. So it's going to dry within a couple hours versus hot water extraction 3 to 5 hours. So this if you got the fans on and everything, be drying in about an hour doing low moisture. So yeah, everything came out looking good. Really don't want to walk back there over my nice clean carpet, and this was the worst area. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and rake everything out and call this video a wrap. So I hope I encouraged you or educated you or learned anything off this video as far as VLM. And yeah, so that's what this is all about, guys. I worked about an hour and 15 minutes. And a little longer because I'm trying to do videoing and all that stuff. And this job, when I'm all said and done, will be 180 bucks or so. Yeah, 180 bucks. I think I'm gonna go ahead and charge them. So think about it. It took me a little over an hour, and some people work a day and a half, 1 day to a day and a half for that type of money. So, all right, have a good one. Please like, subscribe, comment. You know the routine. See you in the next video.